Want to upload files to Google Drive? Google Drive makes it easy to store documents, photos, videos, and other files securely in the cloud, so you can access them from almost anywhere. In this guide, I'll show you how to upload files to Google Drive step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Drive home page where all your files and folders are stored. Next, click the New button in the upper left corner, then choose File Upload to upload individual files. If you want to upload an entire folder, select Folder Upload instead. Both options allow you to store your files in Google Drive. Now browse to the location of the files on your computer. Select one or multiple files, then click Open. Google Drive will immediately begin uploading the selected files to your account. While the upload is in progress, you'll see a progress indicator in the bottom right corner of the Drive window. Larger files may take longer depending on your internet connection. Keep the browser open until the upload completes. Finally, locate your uploaded files in Google Drive to confirm they were added successfully. You can now organize them into folders, share them with other people, or access them from any device where you're signed in with the same Google account. And that's how to upload files to Google Drive. Storing your files in Google Drive makes it easy to back them up, organize them, and access them across your Windows PC, Mac, Android phone, iPhone, and the web. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.